It might flip the truck. Oh, fuck!
Lay down, bro.
Oh my God! We're in a tornado! We're literally in a fucking tornado, dude.
Look at the trees, G.
Oh fuck, dude! It just crushed the crane truck. Oh my fucking God, dude!
That's why I lay down like.
Zach and I saw that motherfucker starting. Dude, this whole place is fucked. Holy fuck!
That's why I got out the machine.
Your machine's fucked.
See?
Holy shit. Dude, we were literally just fucking saying it's rotating.
Oh, hell no. I was like, fuck that.
Holy fuck, dude.